English Learning Network.
Do you feel unsure when you use though, although, even though, or as though? You understand the sentence, but you're not confident to use it yourself. Let's learn them step by step, with simple meanings, examples, and practice. Though, although, and even though are used to show contrast. That means something is surprising or opposite of what we expect. Simple structure. Although, though, even though, plus situation, result. Though, casual and flexible, meaning, though, despite the fact that. Use, more common in speaking, can come at the beginning or end. At the beginning of a sentence. Though it was raining, we went outside. Though he was tired, he kept working. Explanation. Rain or tiredness usually stops us, but here it didn't. At the end of a sentence, very common in speaking. I like this dress. It's expensive though. He failed the exam. He tried hard though. Explanation. When though is at the end, it sounds natural and conversational. Although, clear and formal. Although is the same as though. Use, common in writing, slightly formal, used at the beginning of a sentence. At the beginning of a sentence. Although she was hungry, she didn't eat. Although he is rich, he lives simply. Explanation. Hunger usually makes people eat. Rich people usually live in comfort. In the middle of a sentence. They played football, although it was raining. He's friendly, although he looks serious. Sounds a bit more formal, but correct. Even though, strong contrast. Even though, very strong contrast. The result is very unexpected. Use. When the result is very surprising, stronger than although. At the beginning of a sentence. Even though the traffic was terrible, he arrived on time. Even though she doesn't like spicy food, she tried the dish. Explanation. Bad traffic usually makes people late. If someone doesn't like spicy food, they usually don't eat it. In the middle of a sentence. He arrived on time, even though the traffic was terrible. Use even though when the situation should stop the action, but it doesn't. As though, different meaning. Important. As though does not mean contrast. Meaning, as though it seems like or it appears that. Used for imagination, appearance, feeling. He talks as though he knows everything. She looked as though she had seen a ghost. It sounds as though it's going to rain. Explanation. We don't know if it's true. It just looks or feels true. Practice time. It was hot. She wore a jacket. Even though. He acted as if he was angry. As though. She is young. She is very responsible. Although.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.